Hello YouTube family, just coming to you with a little grocery haul. About to hook it up. We getting ready to do a 40-day fast, so the first 10 days is no fried foods, so we had to go and do a little grocery shopping for that. So here's our grocery haul. We went to Walmart and I got some Colombian roast coffee. Definitely need my coffee before we have to give it up. Also got donut shop. Great coffee, by the way. We got Simply Lemonade Strawberry and Cranberry Cocktail. I got 2 Tropical Punch Minute Maid, 2 Strawberry Minute Maid, and all the way in the back, Fruit Punch Minute Maid. This is for the kids and for hubby. These are pepperoni calzones. Quick heat up Lunchable, and they're not fried, so my husband can have these for lunch. We have baked potato chips, because these are not fried, they're baked. Sticking with our no fried. A bag of shredded lettuce, because I don't like to shred lettuce. Coffee creamer, because I don't like flavored creamer. I bought fajita mix for one of our tasty dinners that we're gonna make, along with 2 bags of the pepper and onion blend to go with the fajitas. I also got some honey Jiffy cornbread. I couldn't find the blueberries, so I settled for the honey. Also for my coffee cabinet over there, I got some cream and sugar coffee creamer from Dunkin' Donuts. This is really good, especially if you can't have a lot of sugar like myself. For the little people, got Pokemon cereal, family size. We'll get about two breakfasts out of that one. Not a lot of breakfast. And Reynolds Wrap, turn it upside down, slow cooker liner. Got this off of another YouTuber that I watch. Makes cleanup so much easier. All you really do is just wipe out your crock pot after using it, but you just throw the bag in the trash when you're finished. Beautiful invention. And Amish macaroni salad. Best macaroni salad if you don't want to make it from scratch. And finally, 2 bags of Cheetos cheese puffs. These are actually baked. They are not fried. So there it is. And we'll be back to you because we actually have to move some things around and we're getting ready to make over the girls' little office area.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you, I know
face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me.